Hi, I'm Jamie from Loopy Tulip Designs, and in this video I'll show you how to fold your fabric so you can cut super long bias strips. Several of my patterns use super long bias strips, so knowing how to cut them can be a big help. First, you're going to take your far edge of your fabric and fold it over carefully, matching up these edges here. Once you have these edges matched perfectly, you know you'll have the true bias. Now, we'll take this edge and fold it over here, matching it perfectly. This is our bias edge, but we're going to think about it as our straight edge. Now I'm going to fold it again one more time, and now it is narrow enough to put on our cutting mat. I'm going to put this on my cutting mat. I'm going to line it up properly. And now I can cut off these edges. I'm only going to pretend to cut off these edges because this is not a fabric that I need to make stems out of. Once this is done and you have cut the stems that you need, you can leave your fabric this way so that you can use it again. I only like to use maybe 2 or 3 different fabrics for my stems. That way I don't have funny triangles cut out of a lot of different fabrics. So now once I've cut my stems, I'm going to take this, fold it in half this way, fold it in half again, and now, I can make a mess. Now, I can store it for the next time I want to make stems. I'll just have to open it up and cut again. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, hit subscribe, share it with a friend, and of course, go to loopytulips.com to see what other fun projects and classes I offer.